Not the sauce here again, and I'm going to teach you how to fix your voiceover in DaVinci Resolve. Let's do this. DaVinci. I've had this issue where it has been not picking up my voiceover at all. So, what you see here, I'm going to actually show you. I'm going to let it record. And as you can see, it is not picking up any audio at all. The way that we can fix this issue, because you see right here, no volume, we are going to go into our settings. So we're going to pull up our settings and we're going to go here and we're going to type in sound. And then we're going to scroll down to our more sound settings. So after you get to that screen, you're going to get to recording and click on your preferred mic. And you're going to go to advanced and you're going to disable audio enhancements. Now, I'm not too 100% sure why this affects it. I just found it on a forum that is very, very deeply hidden. Hit apply, hit OK, hit OK. Well, as you can see, our preferred mic is now picking up, and you see right here, and we can actually click record, and we'll actually have all of our audio get picked up by the system. So now we won't have to worry about any issues going here forward. So I hope this helps you, and I hope you have a great day and good luck on your recording.